Did you know that AI chatbots such as ChatGPT can scan your Squarespace website? Well, they can if you don't go into the settings and remove access. What do you think about AI being able to scan your Squarespace website? Is it a good thing or a bad thing? Let me know what you think in the comments. Now, in this Squarespace tutorial, we're going to go into the settings and we're going to show you how to remove the access for these crawlers to be able to scan your website. It's super easy. Let's jump on over to the screen right now and I'll show you how to do it. So here we are on my demo website, and this is going to be one of the easiest things that I ever show you how to do in any of these Squarespace tutorials. It's really just a matter of knowing where to look to do this. So the easiest way to find it is going to be the same way that I would recommend trying to find anything in the back end of the settings on Squarespace, and that's just by doing a search. All you have to do that is hit the / on your keyboard, and then you can just start typing in crawlers. All right, and you see right there, control how a site is used by third-party web crawlers. So you click on that, and you can see here that all you would have had to have done is go into settings, and then it's under website, and then you would go down to crawlers. If you choose to go that route, I can show you, it's down at the very bottom. So you have search engine crawlers where, so this is for Google, Bing, any of those search engines to be able to access your website, which you want. I would almost guarantee you want, because you want to be able to show up on search when people search for whatever it is that you do. The other one is artificial intelligence crawlers. This is for the Chat GPTs and the Geminis and those types of things. So it's just a simple matter of toggling off and then clicking save, and it's done. At that point, these crawlers, these AI chatbots no longer have any access to what is on your website. So if you have stuff that on your website that you don't want ChatGPT or Gemini stealing, because they scan your website and they can just skim information, skim content from your website. But maybe you don't want that. So that's as simple as it gets, though. So if you found this useful, please leave a like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think about this. Is AI being able to scan your website a good thing or a bad thing? And if you'd like for me to build your Squarespace website, you can find my contact information in the description below.